Man, that's a heavy sign. I'm just kidding, it's actually only about 6 pounds. And when it's scored and folded, it's only 48 by 32. And so it's a heck of a lot easier to hold on to maneuver around. If you've got a client that doesn't have a pickup truck or doesn't have a box truck or something, even just with a few signs, that can be really, really inconvenient for somebody with a small SUV or a sedan trying to pick these things up, taking them out to the field, mounting them, putting them on a fence line, something like that. And really easy to handle, you know, folds up really nice. These folds really are still really durable. So I mean, you could really yank on these things and they don't break that easily. It takes a lot of pressure. You do want to make sure that they're tensioned between 2 posts or up against a fence line. A lot of clients will put them up against a sheet of plywood. That's if you want something to be a little bit more permanent. You can have grommets. What most political candidates will do is they'll just take a screwdriver or a knife, they'll poke a hole, and then run a big zip tie through the corners of the sign. It's probably a quarter to an eighth of the price to ship something like this versus, you know, just a handful of 48 by 96. If you have darker colors, you might notice this score and fold line a little bit more than if you had a white background or lighter colors.